viewers, I am Cho from Web-dyno Bhutan. This will be the basic Flutter course for an absolute beginners. So let's try. So Flutter is Google's UI toolkit for crafting beautiful natively compiled application for mobile, web, desktop from single code base. Meaning you can have an application that runs on various devices from a single code that you have worked on. Isn't it interesting? It will save your time and can produce high quality application. You can check the features that Flutter provides you out of box. I will give you the link in description box below. So in this series, I will walk you through various widgets that you can use to make an application. And we will complete this series by cloning the Facebook UI. But the prerequisite will be, I assume that you have completed with the installation. If not, I will provide a link for installation in the description box below, or comment it if you want me to make a tutorial for that too. So without much delay, I will walk you through the series of cloning Facebook UI with Flutter. I'll be using Android Studio, and you can go on with Visual Studio as well. It doesn't matter. So I've taken some screenshots from a mobile Facebook application. So these are the screenshot that I've took. So what we will be doing is, like, the day 1 we will clone this login page, the day 2 the news feed, the day 3 groups page, and then group, and day 4 this videos, day 5 profile, day 6 notification, day 7 the setting page. So we will not focus on authentication part here. We will just focus on how to develop the UI. So it is for an absolute beginners. And then if you are new to this channel, please give a like, subscribe, and then share this page, and see you tomorrow.